has come. Hope that heaven's promised son. Through the silence, grace is spoken. Chains of darkness now are broken.
Jesus, you came, the promise fulfilled.